Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have or you're looking at getting a Yitahome Mini-Split air conditioner heater and you're wondering about the app, how easy it is to use, what's the app, what can you do with it and stuff like that. You want to get a look at it before you buy. I'm going to show you really quick. So first of all, it's this AC Freedom is the app that you need to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and download that app. Once you download the app, it's going to make you create an account, and when you open it for the first time, it's going to automatically start to scan, and in your manual or on your air conditioner, you should have a QR code that you can scan to get it paired up with the app. And then from here, I'm going to show you some of the things you can do. You can obviously turn it on and off remotely, which is really cool, and but you can also change the temperature really easily just by sliding this here, whatever you want. You can also change the fan direction, have it more up and down or left and right. You can obviously set timers, so you can count down timers. You can have it play for a certain amount of time, have it be on for a certain amount of time, or you can have it come on and come off at a certain amount of time. You can also put what you want it to do, so it doesn't just cool and heat. It can also be a dehumidifier, and it can also just be a fan if you're just trying to circulate air, or obviously you can just set it to auto if you want it to auto. You can adjust the fan speeds. Again, you can put all of this on auto if you want it. Put it on eco mode. Control your power consumption. You can pair a whole bunch of different air conditioners to it, and then you can also even have different homes. So if you have different homes that you're trying to manage the air conditioners in different rooms, you can do all of that. And if you're interested in this air conditioner, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get it below.